Welcome to Western. This video is on the correct usage of balances.
The balance needs a quiet place to sit and think about being in balance. It doesn't like vibrations, temperature change, or temperature changes. It needs a nice, sturdy bench top. And you don't want to be pounding on the bench top when you're using the balance. It needs to be a place free from drafts, and that's these doors allow what's being weighed not to get drafted. If you can, make sure the room doesn't undergo temperature changes. If you were doing research in the course of the day, the temperature changed, you might need to recalibrate. These balances often recalibrate themselves every day, but some of the older balances, you actually have to put a mass on them, a known mass on them. And in those situations, we would train you how to do that, and you don't touch anything that you're weighing. What else do I need to tell you? Typically, they should be turned on for 1 to 2 hours so that you get a stable reading, and they need to be leveled. So, and there's a little indicator bulb, or spirit level, they're called, and you want the bubble in the center of the circle. And the way that you adjust it is you move the feet to get that centered. So these feet screw up and down in order to help you level the balance. And once it's level, you should not move it. Never move your balance. So when you're ready to come to the balance and weigh something, you need to bring your notebook and a pen to record the readings. Whatever you're weighing, you want to be sure it's room temperature and dry. If you're weighing something that's hot, it'll weigh less than it should due to air currents. If you're weighing something that's wet, the readings will continually drop because of evaporation. And there can be issues with static charge causing your mass to fluctuate. When you're weighing an object, the first thing you want to do is tare